Hello everyone, this is Mrudhula Basker and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing and are you enjoying my brushes videos that I'm putting up every week? Let me know in the comment section below. So today I'm here with a set of powder brushes. Why is it important to have different kinds of powder brushes? What is powder application? All that is going to be discussed in this video. So there can be loose powder, there can be compact powder. Loose powder you can just apply a sheer layer on you can use it to bake, or compact powder you can use it to highlight under the eye and sort of set the makeup in place and give you a very full coverage. That's what a compact powder can do. But the right tools are very important to achieve the expected results when it comes to powder application on your face. So today I have some beautiful brushes which I have picked up along my journey of bridal makeup and of course makeup for myself. So I'm sure you're going to find this video very helpful. So before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Now without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. So when I'm showing you the different kinds of brushes that you're going to use to apply the powder, I'm going to go with its particular usage. So for example, first I'll be starting off with the sheer application of powder on the face. So it could be a loose powder or compact powder. You'll want a very thin layer of powder on the face and you can use this kind of a brush. So first in line is going to be a Real Techniques brush, which is in the number 206. It's a very nice brush, a multitasker brush again. A very beautiful dome shaped brush which is very easy to apply the powder all over the face. It's also got pretty good precision, so you can use it to apply your contour as well. It's a very nice brush. It's definitely a multitasking brush, but I do like it very much to use powder products, for example compact powders, or it could even be blushes, or it could be a contour. It performs really well. Next brush is the MAC 120. This is a beautiful brush and it's made of real animal hair. You can see this particular brush is very nice. It's got a nice dome shape on top. At the same time, it's very fluffy, loosely packed, so it's perfect to apply powder, especially when you need to go under the eyes and you want a very thin layer. This is a perfect brush for you to apply it. I really love this brush. I think this brush is about 10 to 15 years old, but it's one of my favorites, and you can see nothing actually has really happened to it. I bought this in the beginning of my makeup journey. That is when I started doing films. That's when I bought this brush, but it's lived its life and nothing has happened to it. So next brush I have is from Cuffs and Lashes, the F014 powder brush. This is very fluffy synthetic fiber. You can use it to sort of just buff around product on the face, just buff around loose powder or compact powder to just set everything in place. This is a beautiful brush for that, and it's very affordable as well. I think all my brush kits have Cuffs and Lashes brushes. This only shows how good their brushes are. So I just want to give you a closer look of this particular brush. You can see it's got a nice dome shape on top. At the same time, it's very fluffy and it moves really well. So it will sort of pick up the powder product very well. It's a very beautiful brush to use on a daily basis as well. One of my favorites. The next set of brushes that I'm going to show you is going to apply a thick layer of powder under the eye, or wherever you want to highlight. So you can either use it to bake, or you can use it to apply a nice good layer of compact powder and set your makeup in place. So first in line is going to be a brush from CARA. So this is the CARA F014 brush. It's one of my favorites. The shape is so beautiful and it's so small and perfect to go under the eyes. It's got very thick, densely placed bristles. At the same time, the way it picks the product and places it will be very nice. It's a very nice brush for powder application, any kind of powder application. It could be compact, it could be any kind, like loose powder, it could be a highlighter, whatever powder product you have, it will place it beautifully without it looking chunky or picking too much of product. Basically, this brush gives a very even finish of picking up the product and placing it on your skin. Next up, I have this brush from PAC. This is the PAC 396 brush. This is not very precise, but this particular brush is very important when it comes to bridal makeup for me. The way this product picks compact powder, guys, it just packs a punch when it picks the product and places it on your skin. complete coverage and complete use out of this brush is when you use it with a compact powder. So when you dab this powder into the compact palette and then place it on your skin, it transfers onto the skin so evenly with a full coverage. It's one of the best brushes and I love using it for all my brides. This is part of my bridal makeup kit and I have another brush which I use on myself as well, but it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful brush. Just to give you a closer look, you can see very densely packed, nice, beautiful brush. It's real hair, of course, because powder products are used best with real hair. And you can see it doesn't move that easily. It's a pretty stiff brush, a very, very nice brush, especially when it comes to using compact powder, like I already mentioned before. So next and last brush in this series is going to be from ARTE F014. I picked this brush up very recently. Look at this particular brush, guys. Such a pretty brush. It's so good for application of powder under the eyes, and especially when you're setting with baking powder or a compact powder on your forehead, under the eyes, whether it's, you know, the crevices of your nose. It'll just go and pack the product correctly over there. It'll fit right into your nose in the corner there and fit beautifully over there and give you a flawless finish. It's one of my favorite brushes of late. It's a very, very nice brush and of course very affordable as well. Yes, my dear friends, we come to the end of today's video and I hope you enjoyed it. So I tried to segregate these brushes based on the different ways in which we can use to apply powder. That is a sheer layer, a thin layer, a thick layer, all that. So compact powder, loose powder, that is how I tried to segregate it. But basically if it's a thin layer, you'll be dusting the loose powder or a compact powder all over your face. If it's a pretty thick layer, then it would be that you are baking under your eyes or wherever your oily zone is, you will be baking. And if it is application of a compact powder, again you will be placing the powder as an end step in your makeup, just to set things and sort of give it a mattified look. That is what you will use a compact powder for. And these were the brushes which I have found along the way of my makeup journey. Real gems, I would say. It is a savior tool when it comes to correction of makeup for me, and I really love these brushes. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button right there and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I did this makeup look with just 5 products and I've posted it on Instagram already. You can check out my Instagram page, which is linked down below in the description box. I'll see you all in another video. Bye bye. Love you all.